In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney to create breathtaking ebook covers without requiring any creativity from your side. Here are some examples we're going to create. Make sure to watch to the end because I have a special bonus just for you. Let's get started. So there are 5 steps to it. The first would be to get inspired, so we have some ideas what we're going to make. Second, we're going to screenshot the possible templates we're going to use. Third, we're going to use Midjourney to describe our screenshots. Fourth, we're going to use Midjourney then to use those prompts. And fifth, we're going to use the created images from Midjourney and create a cover out of it with Canva and import it into Google Docs. So let's go to Canva. So here we're going to click on create a design and press on custom size, and we're going to use inches 8.5 by 11, and let's press on create new design. Then let's press on here search templates. Let's put in ebook cover, and here you can see quite a few examples. For example, I took this one and created this out of it. So basically what I did back in Canva, I pressed on it and I made a screenshot of this most important part that we want to replicate. Then we go to Midjourney, and in Midjourney we're going to say /describe, and we're going to upload the image and then simply press enter, and it's going to give you 4 different prompts you could use to generate this kind of image. So for example, man, okay, this is kind of double, in business suits, standing in front of long windows with city view, and so on. So I'm just going to press on all 4 of these to see how each are going to look like, and in each prompt I'm going to remove the aspect ratio because I just want it to be square. As you can see, this is the first output of the first prompt. Then for this one, let's say for the third image, we would then go on to U3 and then press on upscale 4x. Alternatively, we could also zoom out of here by factor 2x, because then it might be easier later on to place it as a cover. And then, for example, we would have more black space, for example, here to put in our title. So let's also do that. So this is the result. Let's say we like this one. Then again, we would go on to U3 and then press on upscale by 4x. Once it is upscaled, you would press on the image here and then open in browser, which will open the image in a new tab. And then you would simply go with a right click, save image as, and then you would save the image. And then let's go back to Canva. Let's import our newly generated image here. In my case, I generated this image already earlier and it looks a bit different, but the process stays the same. So you can move it around here. And since it's pretty big, since we've upscaled the image, we can just make this a lot bigger so it fits the dimensions here. And then let's put in some text. This looks already pretty nice. The only concern might be that the contrast is a bit too strong. That's why we could use a square behind it. To change the contrast, press on the color. Let's go for white. Let's select it. Let's put it behind the title. Let's make it as big as the title. And then we're gonna decrease the transparency of the rectangle. This looks good. And then we're just gonna select the title and the rectangle. Let's copy it and paste it. And let's simply select the title. Let's reduce it to 36, and then you can simply input your name. Let's drag it a bit back down. Let's reduce the rectangle size. Let's center it again. And once you're done, just click on share here, press on download and export as JPEG, and then click on download, which will download it to your downloads folder. And then we will create a new Google Doc. Make sure that in your Google Doc, the first page is completely empty and that you have also a second page. And then in here on the first page, click on insert, headers and footers, header, and tick different first page. Then your cursor has to be in there. Then click again on insert and then image and then upload from computer and select your image, and then press on the image, select wrap text and then select no margin, and then just drag it so that it fits the size of the document. And then there you have it. You have your ebook cover or lead magnet cover. Here's another example I made. This is also again taken from Canva, this screenshot, and then I screenshotted this area here with the laptop and let Midjourney describe it. Let's have a look at the output. So this is how Midjourney described the image. Then I used all those prompts and generated some images. I really like this one, so I chose this one. Then I zoomed out and zoomed out again, for which I ended up with this one here, and then upscaled it by 4 times. And then of course just open it in the browser, do a right click to save the image, and then just import it into Canva as we did with the other image we generated with Midjourney. And here the steps for Canva were almost the same. Instead of a rectangle, I chose a circle, also regulated the transparency of it, used a different font and reused the same font here, and this time reused the rectangle. If you want to see more examples of doing this with Midjourney, I have created some more covers. And I also included all the resources I used in this video and how I did these other covers, for which you can find the link in the description down below, which is of course completely free for you to check out. Otherwise, if you're interested in how to use AI for motivation, check out this video. Thank you for watching.